Hey guys, Julie here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be giving you a sneak peek of my son's bedroom makeover. Now, in case you haven't been following along, I am taking part in Heidi Sambel's Room of the Month makeover with 9 other YouTube ladies, and we are all making over different rooms in our home. Today it is sneak peek time, so I can't show you everything, which honestly it's not all completely done anyway. But I will be showing you the complete reveal next Thursday at 7 p.m. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss when I show the big reveal. Also, there is going to be a playlist down in my description box so that you can go check out everyone else's sneak peek for this week. Okay, let's go in. There you go. That was the sneak peek. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, so you're going to first see that there is, dun dun dun, the bed has not changed. It is still the old frumpy green comforter that actually I think was from like when we were first married. My son is using it. You're also going to see that we have 1, 2, 3 pieces of bedding, and none of these 3 have we decided to keep. We have 1 more coming in the mail today. And I was hoping it would get here before the video so that maybe I could have this bed made, but it's not. So, and also this wall is very blank because we have one more project that we have to get done. I bought the last piece I needed for the project today, so that will be done next week for the big reveal. Now I'm just going to give you a couple little sneak peeks at some of the areas. So as you recall from last week, we did this peel and stick laminate flooring on my son's wall, and let me tell you, it is super important to do it right the first time because I have had to go back and fix up at the top where we started. I didn't put enough glue and I didn't let the glue dry long enough, so there was a couple pieces that were starting to come off, so this week I did have to fix them. But where we did it right, everything is working out just fine. And you'll recall my son redid this dresser that we got off of Facebook Marketplace, and we put some new hardware on it. I'm going to give you a little quick, this is not, we are not done. These are just, you'll see we picked up this clock, Rae Dunn clock, and I picked up these really cute metal baskets. There's 2 of them. They kind of reminded me of like a locker, so I picked them up. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with them yet. I might not even end up using them. But the rest of the stuff was stuff my son had, and it's just sitting on the dresser. I haven't decided yet on the layout. And then these were also things that my son had already had. We just weren't really using them. He threw them up on a dresser at one point. They were in a closet at one point. And I made a little gallery, photo gallery above the dresser. And it's all his basketball stuff. And we picked up this laundry basket, which you could see he is using. And you'll recall the chair. This is a new item. This is a reversible pillow I got off of Amazon. For being a Syracuse item, it was like, I think $19. I'll link it below in case you're interested. But a lot of the Syracuse stuff was super expensive, but this pillow is reversible, and I got it for like $19 on Amazon. I also picked up this floor lamp from Walmart. It's adjustable so he can have it down if he's reading. He could even face it all the way up if he wants his room to be super bright. And we framed this picture. It got ruined because we didn't have it stored properly. But this was a picture that my son has been holding on to. And I did buy a frame for it and hung it up there. And you'll also see we did get new curtains. I'm not going to go into the details of the curtains or anything on the other side of the room. And like I said, we still don't even have the bed stuff done, nor do we have the little DIY that we're going to do above his bed. But you can kind of see this side of the room, how it looks. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you next week when I show you the entire room complete.